back to Taste of Change. We cook for Valentine's Day today, and there is no Valentine's Day without chocolate, right? Chocolate is everything, and I was so impressed by chocolate cacao tree being years ago in Dominican Republic that I just couldn't stand. I made a huge research and wrote a book, 37 pages book about the chocolate with great chocolate recipes. It's so interesting. It is anti-inflammatory, it is antidepressant, it is antioxidant. So chocolate is not just delicious, it is very, very healthy thing to have. And today let's cook one of the recipes from the book is mocha mousse. The food is generally provided by bazaar supermarkets. And when I talk about the health benefits of chocolate, it is definitely about dark chocolate. And dark chocolate starts from 70% cacao in this, because all health benefits are assigned to pure cacao bean. And the more the pure cacao in the chocolate, the healthier it is, and it serves also weight loss. I have boiling water here for the mousse. We'll use a half of a tablespoon of instant coffee to get this flavor of chocolate and coffee together. I like using these small packages, it's very convenient. So we'll place it here. At this point, when the instant coffee is already hot in this pot, we'll add dark chocolate in small pieces. For making two lovely balls of mousse, we need 1.5 bars. Chocolate is melting very quickly, of course. Please stir it. Stir it very active. At this point, we can turn heat off completely and remove it, and continue mixing it when it is off the heat. See? Very nice, and smells so good. We'll let it cool, and meanwhile we'll prepare the white component of the mousse. Heavy cream for better consistency. We need half of the cup. Half cup. Now to make this ready for mousse, mousse should have this consistency. We'll use gelatin. Gelatin should be dissolved in cold water. So half of this packet should be put in just 1/3 of cold water. And you'll see how it is getting stronger and stronger. And as soon as it is ready, we'll mix it with chocolate mixture. It may take some time, so meanwhile we'll start beating heavy cream. See, the gelatin is ready. Here is the structure of whipped heavy cream. It should not go out of your pan. The chocolate mixture is good temperature now, it is not hard. We let it cool down. So it's time to mix these two together. For better results, it's good to use this whisker. The mousse is ready. All we need to do is transfer it to the nice, beautiful dishes and place in the refrigerator. Recommended to make it night ahead. Actually, it should be in refrigerator for several hours, at least 2-3 hours is the minimum. But if you make it night ahead, overnight is the best. Just look at this lovely mousse. It looks great, it smells wonderful, and it is amazingly delicious. Let's decorate it, however. I like decorate with raspberry, or you can use strawberries, you can use whatever you want. Let's make some art here. I actually wanted to make the heart, but not sure it is going to happen. Well, here we'll make just something cute. I want to wish you very happy Valentine's Day. And again, the Valentine's Day is about love, and love yourself. Love yourself eating good things, healthy chocolate, dark chocolate. Don't eat something that hurts you, that creates you feeling of guilt and unworthiness. And such attitude like, oh, I love myself, so I deserve a cake. Or it was a very hard day, I deserve the ice cream. This is not love. This is self-pitying and greed. Love yourself enough because you deserve the healthiest food on earth. And you can have it. It is all here in front of you, and you can buy amazing food and indulge yourself with healthiest food you can ever imagine. And if you like this mousse, this dessert, and I'm sure you will, you can get even more very healthy, delicious recipes in this colorful book. All you need is chocolate. You can find it on the website weightdestiny.com. Thanks for thanking Bazaar Supermarkets again for providing us with amazing healthy chocolate and great fresh food. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Be healthy